don't talk, please.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue. I broke into a bit of a coughing fit and a sneezing fit. Whoa.
What do you mean?
I was sneezing like crazy. I think I filled up our recycling bin. There were I used up 3 tissue boxes.
Yeah.
It was really messy. You should be glad that wasn't caught on recording. It was disgusting.
Yeah, the video got cut off.
Yeah.
We have to release this in 2 parts.
No! I think we're gonna put these together. Please, just stop talking!
Ow! You hurt my ear.
Whatever. You're being obnoxious. Sorry, guys, I'm not meaning to be rude, but the cameraman is not supposed to talk! So, I broke into a bit of a sneezing fit, and I had the cameraman cut it off, because it was gonna be a really messy sight. Okay. Oh yeah, 2 in a row. I'm doing this.
Nice job, mates.
Thank you. Please don't talk.
Sure.
Oh my goodness. Woo! Dad, be quiet. Alrighty. There's like this one and one more. Whoa, that was surprising.
I hate that one.
I was not expecting that. That was really big. Okay. What the? I think Luca said those things were called Gordons.
Gross. She just
Gordon.
added N.
Why does she call them Gordons?
I have no clue.
Okay, let's see how I did.
Holy crap!
Oh yeah, I got the new high score. So next up is our last one with Kato. He's probably gonna get the high score because he's really good at these type of games.
Really good.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. I hope I don't break into another sneezing fit. And bye.
You cheated it again.